Banjit iki jaka ki pabiang na kabenta ban buno daki Pulit jong ka Central Armed Police Force CAPF ban Khmih halor ka Jingde bat shalan tu ya Dewiong ha Meghalaya kadang ya Khmih haba pintip ya kane u Justice BP kataki ulaong bara ka jingbut bet but rinti ya ka jingbata jong ka High Court Khmih linti ba ka sarkar pedeng kan pha hadu shipo perton ki Pulit ba Kyndon ha ki jaka ba pher ka jingpen kre na kabenta Banjit iki jaka ban bu ya kini ki Pulit na kabenta ba ken Khmih ya ka Jingde bat shalan tu ya Dewiong kadang ya Khmih ulaong.
As of date, what's your total assessment? I mean, like your assessment on the illegal coal trade, sir?
Transportation, I have the High Court, as you know, the High Court in the last order passed. There is a direction issued for deployment of Central Police Force, and the High Court has fixed on 2017 all probability. But expecting that the Government of India will deploy the Central Police Force, 10 companies. We are in the process of identifying the strategic points where this deployment should be for the purpose of checking the illegal transportation of coal. So we are in that process. The discussion is going on for the purpose of identification.